Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林哲修 Joseph Lin right here, along with Leo, and today we have our glasses on to look sophisticated and smart. 我们今天戴起眼镜来了，因为又要来聊谚语了。
哦，今天要有小问一点，
要有小问一点了。Yes, it's our idiom of the month. So what is it?
好，今天教大家的谚语就是爽爽唔讲家，下爽呀呀叉叉。怎么样？
这个一定会笑嘞，听起来好可爱哦。对啊，前面是什么意思呢？
就是上船不先问价钱啊。
所以爽爽就是上船的意思。对，对，然后不讲价，
不一定讲价，就
没讲清楚，
不先问价钱啊。
So before boarding a boat, you did not negotiate the price, or you didn't ask clearly what the price is. 我猜得出来，后面就是会说价钱就会不傻傻了，是不是？
对啊，你下船的时候就糟糕了，就变成他说多少你就得付多少，那不是很糟吗？
所以呀呀叉叉到底是什么意思呢？
其实这整句话的意思就是说，你上船你买东西的时候不先问价钱，等到你要下船的时候，人家讲出那个价钱，你又嫌人家贵，其实就很麻烦。
所以我们很多事情如果觉得好麻烦，也可以呀呀叉叉一下吗？
对，就是不是很顺利的时候，我们就可以讲说呀呀。
Okay, nyang ya cha cha actually sounds very interesting and funny, and it really means, there's going to be a lot of hassle. It's going to be bothering you, And so, again, this whole proverb, this idiom right here is telling us if you don't bargain a price before you board the boat, you're going to be in a lot of trouble because the price may not be right. 所以这要提醒大家，事情要先讲好，不是上船而已啦。
当然啦，有时候我们在网络上买东西也是一样啊。你买了之后呢，有时候你收到东西，发现，哎呀，你当初没有看清楚，就是呀呀叉叉。
That's right. Always be detail-minded. Read the fine print. Let's listen to the English explanation.
Bargain a deal before getting on the boat. Otherwise, you might get swindled upon hitting land. This proverb means you should go through all the details before rushing into anything. Otherwise, you might be tricked. Today, people love to shop online, but many consumers find out there are problems only when it's too late. Be sure to always read the fine print.
And Leo, let's read that idiom again.
爽爽唔講價，下爽呀呀叉叉。
And there you go, another edition of Let's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.